Your brand isn't just on your website, it's in the box. It's the way it's packed, the way it's protected, the way it feels when your customer opens it. That's where Ship Central's custom kitting service comes in. Here's the gist. We take a bunch of individual products, assemble them into one ready-to-ship package, and boom, you've got a kit. One SKU, one unit, one perfect unboxing experience. Built in advance, ready when the order comes through. Now, kitting looks different depending on who you are. If you're a D2C brand, it could be a monthly subscription box, a welcome kit, an influencer kit, a curated gift set, or a more complex assembly with multiple components, like a med kit or survival pack. If you're a B2B operation, it could be a sample kit your sales team takes to clients, a multipack program for retailers, repackaging and relabeling for Amazon or other retailer fulfillment, or a pop display ready for the floor. Different business, different kit, same level of care. No job is too big or too complex for our team to handle with our full suite of logistics services. We bring your components in from anywhere, whether it's your manufacturer, your supplier, or your own warehouse. We store them safely until you're ready. We build them when you need them, and we ship them wherever they need to go, straight to your customer's store, into Amazon's fulfillment network, or onto a retailer's shelf. And it all runs at a world-class 99% accuracy, paired with affordable shipping services in 2 warehouses strategically placed working as one, ready to scale right alongside you. Sealed, scanned, out the door, from Salt Lake City, Utah, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Ship Central. We don't just move boxes, we move brands.